Oh boy. It has been so long. It seems like forever for me that I put this camera in for repair because the audio jack was messing up the channels. But it was repaired under warranty, a big fat 0. It still sucked not having my camera for almost 2 weeks. So much has changed. But today, I'm leaving for Sweden. This backpack plus this stuff right here is officially everything I own. Everything. Nothing else in this apartment other than that pile and the stuff that's in this book bag and my phone, of course, is mine. That's it. And this is all stuff that I want to talk about fully in upcoming videos. So as soon as I get back from Sweden, I might be heading to Colorado real quick, but I want to give a full update video for that stuff. Craig 3.0, big changes, crazy exciting stuff. I'm leaving New York City. I'm done, I'm moving. I'm finally gonna live in a different place. Ooh.
Hello, hello, baby, you called, I can't hear a thing.
So this should be a fun flight because for the first time ever, I'm flying international business. I'm gonna go try to find a hill and drone. Okay, 4 miles. First run with these sunglasses. They look stupid, I know, but I like them. They keep the wind, the sun, the dirt out of my eyes, also the sweat. Oh man. Suds them up, squeeze these out. Really twist it, very easy. Going to SK, super fancy, watch out. I love Chef's Table. This is why you should trust it. Yep. So now that they're getting the more affordable cars, sometimes like I just need to chat with them before. And then one more thing.
Do you find that you can't enjoy things if you don't see them through a lens?
Boom, roasted.
Sujit and I are going to the Volvo factory. How excited are you?
Pretty damn excited.
So they wouldn't actually let me film inside the factory, but it probably would have been something like...
So, try one.
I feel cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is an old ass Volvo. What is this, from the 18th century?
If you have found the photo book, you can see on page 2 and 3 lots of nice photos.
How many times are we gonna stall?
130,000 inhabitants. There's a black Volvo, and you can find that Volvo at the...
Great mileage. Seafood.
About driving. Malaga back to London, that was... Yeah, they had one job.
way I'm shooting this Gothenburg trip is pretty similar to the way I did Japan. But I want this to be my style. I just want travel, vlog. I'm just up here doing as many things as I can, and I'm already losing my voice, so it's been a long day. Having this day bag just for walking around and maybe hiking is great because it's got the Camelback for the water. And then also this pouch is just absolutely perfect for carrying a drone or camera if I need to, because it can expand out and just be like this bubble on top. In about an hour, as he looks at his invisible watch, we're gonna be heading to the main event. So we're at the design center on Volvo's headquartered lot, and we're going to see Concept 360C. Big mystery, what is this driverless car? It's a driverless car.
Sounds too formal. Yeah. I'm from London. People know me as Gadgets Boy. We're here for the Volvo 360C concept car unveiling, which should be awesome.
Sorry?
Is it gonna be a new iPhone?
I hope so. I'm really excited about it.
Finally, Volvo showed us the 360C. A fully autonomous electric concept vehicle, and damn, it looked cool. You know I like minimalism and futuristic things, and this car looks straight out of Blade Runner. Imagine you could replace flights or commutes with a relaxing or productive trip in this car, sitting up, laying down. Whatever. Party with friends, meet up with clients, or even sleep while getting from point A to B. I was convinced, especially after seeing this all in person with VR. Personally, I loved the sounds the car used to communicate with people nearby. Very unique design for communication and safety. Speeding up. Thank you for bringing me out, Volvo. I loved visiting Gothenburg and learning more about your company's exciting plans.